My company is called Mountain Springs Community Services. I'm a co-founder with my business partner, Zach Harris. We're certified to provide respite, habilitation, and attendant care services for adults and children with developmental disabilities. So my name's Josh Carnes, and I graduated in December of 2020. It was really a good fit for my career field. It involved a lot of learning to effectively communicate with people, learning to express yourself effectively. Me and my business partner actually have known each other since we were in 4th grade, and we started playing music together when we were about 10 years old. So now we still like to play a little bit with our friends. I've always been involved in the community of people with developmental disabilities. My best friend, Zach, his sister had cerebral palsy, so he spent a lot of his time helping his family take care of her or watching her at times. So that became part of my life as well, is seeing that, and sometimes I would try to step in and help out. This program helped me cultivate my emotional intelligence and other aspects that I've carried onto this field. The flexibility of Arizona Online allowed me to work 40 hours a week, sometimes even more. It allowed me to work on my school mostly over the weekends if I needed to, which was really important. I was really appreciative for the fact that I could take a class and I could rewind it to, oh, what did the instructor just say? I want to make sure I get that. I'm going to write that down. And you can't do that in person, This program is really great because it teaches people something that's very valuable that I think has been missing in just curriculum for a long time, which is compassion and caring about diversity, caring about people who are different than you, understanding people who are different. It's a great program because it teaches you how to communicate with people who are different and how to make effective relationships with them. And I think that is essentially what we need to create a better world. So essentially what the program's doing is spreading that knowledge exponentially by teaching someone how to teach others. If we can spread this kind of knowledge, and if people can be more understanding, communicate with each other better, solve problems in more appropriate ways, I think that we'll see a positive impact on the world in general. So my advice to anyone who wants to enroll in Arizona Online would be to meet with an advisor, first of all, at the U of A, because they're going to put you in the right spot. And I think after that, you'll have a lot better idea of what you need to do, where you want to be. Without Arizona Online, I don't think I could have my degree by now or even potentially at all.